Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic car key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement battery, usually a CR1616 or CR1620. This simple task can be completed quickly, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by locating the key's release button. To begin, press the small release button on your key fob to extend the physical key. Next, locate the small slot near where the key emerges. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Using your screwdriver, gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, carefully insert the new CR1616 or CR1620 battery, ensuring it is placed with the correct positive and negative sides facing the right way. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, confirming it's securely closed. Test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything works perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic new e-reader and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.